All right, hello once again. This is part two of the mini assignment number three presentation on web-based apps. For this one, I'm going to talk about a website called typingtest.com. It is essentially just what it sounds like. It gives you different tests for your typing skills. And what I like about this site is that you can select everything from very short and sweet 1 minute tests, intermediate size tests. You can go all the way up to 10-minute type tests. And then you can also pick everything from very easy typing all the way up to very tricky spelling and even professional. So basically adult kinds of tests. And then you would literally start the test, but I'm going to show you one. I'm not going to have time to show that for you, but I've already done one. I did not try very hard, so please don't think I'm a slow typer. But what it gives you is your words per minute and your accuracy, and kind of compares you where you are compared to other typers. This website's kind of geared more towards the younger crowd. I typically use this website for the 6th and 7th grade ages, although if you really wanted to, you could also use it for adults or high school level kids. So I feel like, again, the main purpose of it is for the students to kind of gauge where they are in terms of their typing abilities. I feel like the standards that are met here are 5.4b and 3.1c. But again, it's a very simple and pretty straightforward website that gives you the ability to do everything from simple practice to a little uh, more advanced statistics and give you a gauge of what your current typing ability is. So, thank you for listening.